Now that's something slightly unusual. We're in Pruszków today, which is a county west from Warsaw, and there's like a showcase of the Polish army with some MMA fights show. And what we see here is like M-ATV MRAP system, Leopard 2 tank, Krab howitzer, and some SAM systems displayed to the public. I think it's one of the first that sort of exhibitions to the general public in this area. It's deeply encouraging view as for the people in this country that is neighboring war in Ukraine. So that's a very nice view. And as you can see, guys, there's also a US Army personnel here. Kids have the opportunity to try a vest with some actual armaments. It's very interesting event, looking very good indeed. Yeah, short video. Take care and to the next one.